For creators, solopreneurs, and small teams, automating repetitive tasks can save hours every week. From sending emails to updating spreadsheets or posting on social media, automation keeps workflows smooth without writing a single line of code. Two of the most popular no-code integration platforms are Zapier and Make, formerly known as Integromat. Zapier is the most well-known no-code automation tool, and it focuses on simplicity and accessibility. You can connect thousands of apps like Gmail, Slack, Google Sheets, and Trello with a few clicks. The workflow is straightforward. When an event happens in one app, Zapier triggers an action in another. For example, when a new form submission arrives in Typeform, Zapier can automatically create a row in Google Sheets and send a Slack notification. What makes Zapier popular is its ease of use. Its interface is clean and beginner-friendly, with step-by-step guidance for building workflows, or Zaps as they call them. You do not need coding experience, and common integrations are often pre-built, so you can set up automations in minutes. Zapier also handles conditional logic, filters, and multi-step workflows, which is enough for most creator and small business needs. Zapier is ideal for creators who want to save time on routine tasks without getting bogged down in technical details. It is reliable, cloud-based, and supported by a huge library of apps. Its free tier covers basic automation, while paid plans unlock multi-step Zaps, premium apps, and higher task limits. Now, let's talk about Make Integromat. Make is geared toward more complex visual automation. Its interface is built like a flowchart, giving you a bird's-eye view of your automation. You can see each step, branch, and connection, which is especially useful for multi-step workflows or processes with multiple conditions. Make calls its automations scenarios, and they can include loops, routers, and error-handling steps that allow for more advanced logic. One of Make's standout features is precision. You can manipulate data in detail, transform text, format dates, and perform calculations between steps, things that Zapier handles more simply, or sometimes not at all. Make also supports a wide range of apps, webhooks, and APIs, which means you can connect tools that are less common or build more technical integrations without coding. Make Integromat is great for creators who want full control over their automations or who have more complex processes. It can handle conditional routing, data parsing, and bulk operations more efficiently than Zapier, making it ideal for growing businesses that need sophisticated workflows. Its visual interface also makes troubleshooting easier because you can see exactly where data flows and where errors occur. If your goal is to automate routine tasks quickly and get results immediately, Zapier is the better choice. But if you want a no-code platform that can handle complex automations and give you visual insight into your workflows, Make will serve you better. Both platforms help creators save time, reduce errors, and focus on building their business rather than managing repetitive tasks.